Imagine a situation where humans are in a position to prevent cancer of the breast, but a vaccine is going to reduce the risk of the disease in women. Well, that seems to be close to reality. A biotechnology company recently announced the successful completion of phase 1 clinical testing of its breast cancer vaccine, offering hope worldwide. Anixa Biosciences, in collaboration with Cleveland Clinic, has announced a breakthrough in phase 1 clinical trials. The fact is that breast cancer remains one of the leading causes of death worldwide. It affects 20.4 lakh women, and according to the World Health Organization, it was the reason behind 6.7 lakh deaths in 2022. In India, the burden is particularly high. An estimate is that 1 in 28 women will develop breast cancer during her lifetime. The clinical trials offer hope that breast cancer could be stopped before it even had a chance to grow. So how does the vaccine really work? The vaccine comes in a set of 3 shots, given to patients 2 weeks apart. It trains your immune system to recognize and destroy a protein called alpha-lactalbumin, which is normally only found in the body during breastfeeding, but shows up again in many cases of triple-negative breast cancer, a particularly aggressive form of the disease. The phase 1 trial involved 35 women who were at the risk of developing triple-negative breast cancer. That included cancer survivors and some who carried the BRCA gene mutation known to increase the breast cancer risk. Positively, over 75% of participants developed a strong immune response to the vaccine with no serious side effects, just some mild irritation at the injection site. For women who already have had breast cancer, the fact is that this vaccine may prevent it from coming back. And that certainly offers hope given the high prevalence of breast cancer, not just in India, but even in countries outside of India. But remember that these are just phase 1 trials. The bigger story, the bigger picture will emerge only after the phase 2 trials, which are set to start in 2026, will be over. And then the other procedures that would follow along for an approval to come through. In that sense, it's a long road ahead. It's not looking at breast cancer as a disease that's going to be treated, but as something that can be prevented in the near future.